Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now in this video, I will share with you the best practice of dashboard design. One of the idea is to avoid cognitive overload. What does that mean? It means displaying too much information in one go. Okay, and so a dashboard should display as little needed information as required. Okay, so don't display too much information. So I give you an example. Right here, I have the data here. Okay, so let me just change the font size. Okay, so this and another thing is that when you design a dashboard, you need to think about establish an audience and the purpose. The purpose of this dashboard, what does it mean, right? Is that what's the purpose? So you ask yourself, why do you want to do that, right? So identify which machine has more than five issue and which machine has five issue. So then you want to do a summarize of this, right? So you can use the pivot table to do that. And once you created a pivot table, what's the first thing you do is that this is like you already created a pivot table. But what's next? The next step is actually sort. Okay, so you need to do the step one. After that is step two is sort. Okay, so once you sort, you can see that which one is the highest. So these are the value that we want to emphasize more, right? And later on, we can do the calculated field for to check to separate this one into two column. So you can use the step 3, which is to create a calculated field. Okay, now all this is just a method, but why do we do what we do is the important things, right? It is all driven to finally a design. So now with this calculated field, we have a two column. I should talk about this later. Now you have get a grand total for the number of issue, right? So don't just display this to the clients, right? You can start designing a dashboard. So design a space there and then put the number here, right? So you just need to equal and then click on that one cell, or maybe here also can, right? So then you copy that the total number of issues that is happened in this list here. So it's an 89 issue. So there's 89 issue, but in the dashboard design, right, you need to highlight that value very prominently so that you see that compared to this and this, right, this one will draw attention and it's only needed one data area. So you imagine this is not there, right? So a better design is like this. Okay, you might want to design like maybe more. Okay, it depends on your needs. Yeah. So now let's say just I want some ways of here. So everything can sit in one single page, right? That would be cool. Okay, that's not enough. Okay, maybe so you can see that it's now taking shape. Okay, so now we can just color it. Say it like this. Okay, so I have a list, and then here should have the dashboard name. Okay, what is the purpose about it, right? Just a short one. And then here's the key information I want to show, and it's called KPI. So what is the measure, what is the things that is most concern you, right? So we can say merge this and then make it center. Now we can use equal and then go to here, click on this value here and enter. So we got 89. So now we can just capitalize bigger, make it bigger, make the color background yellow, right? So now this is considered a dashboard, right? A design, a tips. So isn't that easier? And but the thing is that 169, you must tell people what is that, right? So you can say a number of issue. So remember, you design this right that other people can use it. Your end user can use it easily. So you learn get pivot data. Why do you use get pivot data? Because you are separating. So this is your analysis page, right? And then here is your presentations presentation view or your dashboard view. Okay, so very quickly you get this thing. You don't need people to see this thing. You can actually right click and highlight. Okay, if you don't need the user to see it, then it's not highlighted. Or if you want to, you can just highlight. Okay, highlight. Okay, that's it. And thanks for watching. Remember, design a best practice for dashboard design is like this, right? Avoid cognitive displaying too much information is not very good. And thanks for watching.